Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw a vampire cupcake. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. Draw one curved line at the bottom. Then draw a vertical line coming up from each side, slightly tilted outward. Inside the cupcake, draw two large circles for the eyes, with two eyelashes on each. Then color the eyes, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw half a circle between the eyes for the mouth. Add a small sharp tooth coming out from the side of the mouth. Draw a curved pillowy shape that is higher on one side than the other. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Add a curly strand of hair coming down from the middle of the bottom side of the icing layer. Draw another curved pillowy shape, smaller than the first one, also higher on one side than the other, but opposite to the first layer. Draw a curved upside down letter V for the top of the icing. Draw a curved line coming out from the side of the cupcake at the very bottom. Then draw a similar line right next to it, connected together at both ends to make a half moon. Draw a smaller line coming out from the side of the cupcake, connecting to the side of the half moon. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other part of the cake. Well done, now you can draw a vampire cupcake. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some part of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.